Foam rolling your anterior tibialis. It's the front part of your shin, great for shin splints, or just release tension within that anterior tibialis muscle. Again, start at the bottom of the ankle, within the side of your calf or the top part of your shin. Just roll that meaty portion of the muscle 1 to 2 inches, working your way all the way up to the top, then moving through the full range of motion to really relieve that tension. You find any trigger points, just maintain on that point and hold it for a period of time. Then rotate to the other side. Again, short, small motions until you feel you can do a full range of motion. Once you do that, you can work all those little knots out. That's how you foam roll your anterior tibialis.